What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a new TikTok account on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up the TikTok application on your mobile device and click on the Profile tab located at the lower right corner of your screen. Here, tap on Sign Up and proceed with any available options. However, the Continue with Google option is the most reliable and accurate way to create a TikTok account. Besides many benefits, continuing with the Google option helps conveniently recover your login details, such as your password in case you forget it. Select this option and tap Continue if prompted. TikTok wants to use google.com to sign in. Now, either choose any of the currently signed in accounts on your device or select the Use another account option to proceed with another Google account. Enter the email address associated with your Gmail account and its password to continue with the registration process. You will now be prompted to enter your birthday information. Proceed with it and then set up your profile name. Tap on Confirm when done. Feel free to add your mobile number and password as well as other details regarding your newly created TikTok profile if you wish. We recommend you add these details as it further strengthens the security of your TikTok profile. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.